A lot of people ask me, what does it mean when we say market on close and balance and it says 575 million to the buy side or sell side? And what does that mean? Where does it come from? Well, if you guys take a look here and you guys go to orders entry, so there's day traders that sell their trades by the end of today, by the end of the day. So if you go to price type market on close, that's going to take all those transactions that are on market at close, and it'll show that if there's a net buy side or a net sell side and the quantity of that. So that's where you're getting that number from, because that's a really good indicator there of how many people are buying or selling into the close there. So it's a really nice opportunity to take a look and see what the markets are doing there. It's usually a lot of day traders that are selling at the closing of the day. If you guys see, 2 billion to the sell side, well, that's also telling you that some larger institutional funds, some larger hedge funds are coming in and selling there as well. If you're just seeing a few million, few hundred million to the buy side, close side, that's usually the day traders. And that's how you get the balance on close.